How to change password on XTB. Follow my instructions. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change your XTB account password quickly and securely in 2025. First, this process cannot be done from the xStation trading platform. You'll need to use the XTB client office via your browser. Here's what to do. Open your browser and go to xtb.com. Then log into your client office. From the drop-down menu, select Forgot Password. Enter your current password, then your new password, and confirm it. Click Save, and your password will be updated instantly. Make sure your new password is strong. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. If you forgot your password and can't log in, just click Forgot Password on the login screen and follow the reset steps sent to your email. That's it. Now you know how to change your XTB password in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching.